Okay, so this is a short explainer video of how to install Air Clinic app on your iPhone. Okay, I'm just going to show you. Now go to your Safari browser, right? Open it up. You enter the link to the website. All right. Okay, so you enter the website. My clinic. See it here, it has already popped up. I just click on it to load. Okay, so this is the website, right? So instead of having it just like this, you click on this share button. Look at this button here on the lower middle of the screen. Click on it. Now scroll down. Look at this button here, add to home screen. Add to home screen. Click on add to home screen. All right, so then finally click on add. See add here. You can see now Air Clinic is installed on the phone. You can open it up anytime, any day I want. Yes. All right, so I can decide to type my username and password to log in, just the usual way you usually log in, and then when you log in you can access everything. But for now I don't want to do that, so that is it. Very easy and simple from your iPhone, regardless of the type. All right, enjoy.